I am so over it. So let's do it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yancy. I'm on a journey to become debt free. So I am so over it with my debt. If you don't know, I will let you know what my update is on my debt. And this year I am going, knock on wood, and in God's willing, I am going to pay that debt. I'm over it. It's been a few years that I always get myself in debt, and then I go back, get myself in debt, and I go back. And I have decided finally last year, like in the middle of last year, 2024, I decided, you know what? Fuck this shit. I'm done with this. And yeah. Right here, I have my little planner. And here I will show you my debt balance. Oh, excuse me. So as December 14, 2024, I have a balance of $7,802 with 6 cents. Okay? So right there, I don't know if the camera's gonna catch that, but anyways, and yeah. So, I did make a video a few months ago of me cutting a credit card. Well, I have two of them. One is for their store, which is TJ Maxx. You guys know TJ Maxx, right? So one of those is TJ Maxx regular stores, and the other one was for everywhere, like outside TJ Maxx. So I cut one of them. I don't remember which one it was. And then I called and asked for a replacement because I was like, hey, I need to use my car for, I don't even remember for what, because, you know, the reward system, whatever. It was worth a lot of money. And yeah, and they caught me. They caught me again. And so finally, you guys, I had, which is right here. Okay, redo on that part because I almost show you guys my number on that. So I have both of those cars right here, and finally I made my last payment, you guys, this week. Okay, they're right here. Okay, both of them are right here, and I made my last payment this week or last week, I can't remember. And I am officially gonna cut those off. I'm ready to get my life together, and this is the first credit card that I'm done. The other one I'm not quite done there, which is Capital One. But I am so freaking excited, you guys. You guys know I'm not turning back. Like, I'm done with this. Like, I'm tired working and all my extra money going towards debt and stuff like that. So yeah, there's a point in time where you're like so over it, and yeah. So here we go. Are you guys ready? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna just cut it like this. Officially done with you. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Oh shit. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. And then I'm just going to let them, if it closes, it closes. It's okay. It might affect later on in a few years. Oh my gosh. Yes. It might affect later on in a few years my credit score, but that's okay. Like, I'm fine. Like, I don't need credit cards. I really don't. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I do have my longest credit card is 9 years old. That one, I'm sure it's going to be forever there, but it should be fine. But anyways, oh my gosh, here's the other one. Wow. This makes me so happy, you guys. I'm so done. Like, it always gets me. If you know me, I am a shopaholic. I love to shop, and TJ Maxx will always get me. Home Goods will always get me. And yeah, oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. Done. 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 Yay. Okay. Oh my gosh. So pumped about that, you guys. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. I know I'm not the only one out there. So yeah. So if you're in that, you got this, babe. You got this. Trust me. Some people may not have trust in us or hope in us, but we need to have hope and trust in ourselves, because no one else will. No one else will. Everyone else will doubt you. And I know sometimes I go back to my bad habits, but trust me, this year, bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay? All right. All right, guys. I hope you have a lovely day, and I see you on the next one. Adios.